Have you been trying to find the right neighborhood in Frisco to move to, but you can't seem to find something that unique? Well, you're in luck. Today we are checking out the most unique neighborhood I have ever seen right here in Frisco, Texas. So if you are a nature lover, you like the simplistic modern look of homes, and you're looking for something that no one else has ever seen before, make sure you stick around, because today I am showing you a one-of-a-kind property in a neighborhood called Tapestry right here in Frisco, Texas. So I'm actually standing in the trail right next to the pond they have here at Tapestry. It is a new build construction. It is actually a new builder to Frisco. They're based out of India, and it's a new style of homes, nothing like I've ever seen here in Frisco. These beautiful homes are gonna start at 1.3 million, and as you can see, I'll flip the camera around. They have a ton of lots available. So they are brand new. They have 2 homes built so far. There's one right next to the model home behind me. The square footage ranges from 3,300 all the way to 5,300. So these homes are completely custom built. You can go online and check out the specs of the homes and everything like that. But let's just go ahead and jump into the tour. So I'm actually standing in the lots to show you guys how many lots are available. The really cool thing about this neighborhood, it is located in Frisco. You're also located in some of the best school systems. Frisco has a rating of an A+ for the school systems, so you can rest easy knowing you have a beautiful home and your kids are going to a great school system. Now, this is gonna be a 50-acre lot development. Now, there's not many homes built yet. There's only 2. This is fairly new. So if you are interested in perhaps scheduling a tour, my contact information will be on the screen. Feel free to reach out and we can schedule a tour so you can come by and take a look at the model home and everything this neighborhood will have to offer. Now that we've looked at everything here, let's go back to the studio so I can show you guys where you'll be located in your future neighborhood. Location, location, location. This beautiful new neighborhood is located in one of the best parts in Frisco, in my opinion. I actually grew up right down the street from here. I went to school at Heritage High School, so I'm very familiar with the area and everything around it. Let me show you guys everything you need to know about the location. Alrighty guys, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the gyms around the area. I don't know about you, but when I'm moving somewhere new, I need to find where I can work out, and I will show you guys as a local the favorite places that I have. Alrighty, so if you guys will look at the screen, right here in blue is where the home is located. And right off the bat, you do have an LA Fitness 6 minutes from the house, which is super convenient. Honestly, in my opinion, what I would end up doing is I would make the drive down to Cowboys Fit. It's only 12 minutes. It's only 12 minutes, so not bad at all. You'll just take the Sam Rayburn Tollway, which is right here. And man, this gym is phenomenal. One of my favorites. They have some of the best equipment, the best people, especially if you're new. This is a great place to meet like-minded people. It's located at the Star, so there's a ton of stuff to do there as well. So that by far is my favorite gym. So up next would be groceries. So let me show you what there is close by to your home. So again, in blue is where the house is located. So you do have a Target grocery store 6 minutes from the house. So that is already is a plus. Target always has some amazing stuff. You have Aldi's, which is kind of like a off-brand supermarket. So if you're trying to find stuff super cheap, that's a great option as well. Now, if you wanted to make the drive down to H-E-B in Frisco, that's 17 minutes away, and H-E-B is a humongous superstore. I definitely recommend going at least once. They have a ton of food and very high quality stuff as well. And all in all, grocery stores are fairly close to your future home, so that is always a plus. Now, for all of my foodies out there, let's go ahead and cover the food around the home. So right off the bat, you do have a Chili's, Starwood Cafe, which is a great brunch spot. I highly recommend it. I've been there a lot of times and they always have the best food, the best pancakes. You also have Raising Cane's. So you cannot go wrong with Cane's. If you haven't been there already, I highly suggest you try it out. There's actually another place called Lane's, which is extremely similar. They're kind of competitors, so if you're into fried chicken, that's an amazing place to go to. And another great option is Hat Creek Burger Company. I've actually been there a little while ago. I tried it for the first time and the burgers are super good. They have really good milkshakes and it's really high quality meat. So if you're someone that enjoys eating the high quality products, this is gonna be a great option for you. And they also have a little playground there, so if you wanted to bring the kiddos so they can go around and play while you're eating some food, a great option to go out with the family. I also like to show coffee shops around here. This was actually an idea by one of my clients. Let's see what kind of coffee shops are around the house. So you do have a Starbucks right around the corner, 4 minutes away from the house, which is awesome. And this actually is the newest coffee shop in Frisco. If you watch my market update, I talk about it. This is the PJ Coffee, a new coffee shop there. So if you haven't tried it, that's a great place to go to. It's gonna be brand new. So those are the two coffee shops right around the house. So if you need a quick fix of caffeine, you are ready to go. So like I mentioned, I actually did go to school right around here. The high school I went to is Heritage High School. So I'm very familiar with the area, the school system, and high schools right around here. The high school you would be closest to would be Liberty High School, which is a great high school in the Frisco ISD area. Frisco ISD is rated the best school system here in North Dallas. Some of the other schools around the area, as you can see, is these elementary schools. But most likely, if you got kiddos in high school, that's where they're gonna be going. And now let's take a look at what there is to do right around the house. So not only are you gonna be surrounded by nature in your new build construction by Total Environment Homes, there's also a really cool limestone quarry park where you can go hiking, have a picnic, or just kind of hang out, maybe have a walk and take some fresh air and just enjoy nature. You also have a cool little museum in McKinney right up the street, 6 minutes away. You're also 7 minutes away from Craig Ranch. Craig Ranch is a country club. So if you're a golfer or you want to be surrounded or you want to join a club in the area to meet new people, Craig Ranch is a highly recommended place by some of my clients. And it's just a great place to go play golf. There's also going to be a Lifetime gym there coming soon, so you can be part of that as well. Now, there are a few other golf courses near your home. And lastly, the Stonebriar Mall is only about a 15-minute drive from the house, where of course you have all of the shops. There's a movie theater there, really good restaurants. And if you ended up getting bored there and you wanted to hop over to the Star, there is a ton of other stuff to do there as well. Now the drive to Dallas is gonna be roughly about a 30 to 45 minute drive. So location-wise, like I said, this is in a very good part of Frisco. You have a lot of things to do around you. The home is just one of a kind. And It doesn't get better than that. So if you guys did enjoy this video, or perhaps if you're interested in taking a look at the model home, or you want any more information, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. I am one notification away from helping you find your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the closing table.